Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on REDMI Pad Pro. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and then you have to click on search bar, and you can go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. Now click on search bar and you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click on this three dots icon, then go to settings, click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.